Lakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the I choose one numerical integration sum. Evaluate integral 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x square into d. So I am going to do this sum using trapezoidal rule, Simpson's rule, and actual integration. So first we can start with this intervals. So there is no interval is given, so we can choose the by 0 to 6. Based on this number, we can choose it by 6 numbers. So the interval is 6. H equal to d minus a divided by n. So 6 minus 0 divided by, I am going to split it as 6 intervals. So the answer is 1. So we can put one table. X and 1 divided by 1 plus x square. This is the value of y. So here instead of x, we are going to replace this x values. So what are the values we are having? We split it as 1 with the difference of 1. I am going to write with this interval 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So next I am going to replace this instead of this x value. So 1 divided by 1 plus 0, that is 1 by 1, the value was 1. And then 1 divided by 1 plus 1 squared is 1. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. And 1 divided by the 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 1 5, so 1 by 5, the value was 0.2. And 3 squared value was 9, so 1 divided 9 plus 1 5, 10, 1 divided by 10, so 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. And then 4 square, that is 4 squared is 16 plus 1 17, 1 divided by 17, that is 0.0588. Okay, next 5 square 25 plus 1 26, 1 divided by 26 is 0.0385. And then 6 square, that is 36 plus 1 37, 1 divided by 37 is 0.027. Okay, so already many sums we discussed earlier about how to do the trapezoidal rule and the Simpson's rule. So I am going to just explain how to replace all those values. So first we can replace, give the some names: y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5, y6. So first I start the trapezoidal rule. The formula for trapezoidal rule: 0 to 6, 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So which is equal to h divided by 2 in bracket y0 plus the last value was y6. So y0 plus y6 plus 2 into the remaining values. The remaining ordinates are y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. So from this table you want to replace all those values. Already we discussed earlier. So if we replace and add all the values and multiply by 2 and one more y0 and y6, add these two values and multiply by h value divided by 2. At last you will get 1.4108. the answer for this trapezoidal rule. So next Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, so integral 0 to 6, 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx, which is equal to h divided by 3. Based on this sum, we are writing the formula, that is first value plus last value plus 4 into odd or remaining odd ordinates y1 plus y2, y3 plus y5 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 and close this. Same thing, we are going to replace all those values, y0, y6, whatever it is, all the values we are replacing here and we will get the answer as 1.3663. Okay, so this is the value we are getting from Simpson's rule. And actual integration. By actual integration, that is integral 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So integrating this term, you get the tan inverse of x to the limit 0 to 6, applying the limit, upper limit tan inverse of 6 and lower limit tan inverse of 0 is 0. So you get tan inverse of 6 value alone. So using calculator, you get the answer as 1.4056. Okay, so whatever it is, Simpson's, trapezoidal and actual integration. By comparing all the methods, we are getting nearby values only. So 1.4, 1.3, 1.4. So more or less the nearby values only we get. Whatever this, for this integration we get this answers only. So the accurate values we are getting by this way. Yes, thank you.